Hello.
Hi there. Can you open this door, please?
For what?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay.
What do you mean?
I just figured I'd check on something.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door. Where's your daughter, man?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Who's in there with you, bro? Open this fucking door, or I'll break it the fuck down. You understand me?
Bro, if you don't leave, I'll call the cops. Can you leave my house, please?
Can you open the door, please?
You have nothing to do with my house, so leave.
You know what my name is?
No, I don't. You don't belong in this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. This is my neighborhood, so open the fucking door. Now! Or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
Any last words?